Hi there! Today I am sharing with you a pear walnut cake recipe. It's very fragrant, tender and moist cake. If you like pears and walnuts, you should definitely give this recipe a try. So let's get started. Start by preheating the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Next, take 1 cup of walnuts, place them in a food processor and finely chop. Mix together the dry ingredients: half cup of all-purpose flour, the chopped walnuts, half teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, and pinch of salt. Core and slice 3 ripe pears. Then place them into a prepared cake pan. I am using a 9 by 8 inch square cake pan, greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Set it aside. In a mixing bowl, combine 3 medium eggs and 2/3 cup of white granulated sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes or until thick and whipped. Then gradually add 1/4 cup of sunflower oil or any oil you prefer and mix on low speed for about 1 minute. Gradually add flour mixture using a rubber spatula. Pour all of the butter into the cake pan. Bake in a preheated oven for about 35 minutes, or until it is thick and set it into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then transfer it to a rack to cool completely. After the cake has cooled, dust it with powdered sugar, or feel free to use your favorite frosting and decorate the cake as you like. And that's it. Your pear walnut cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.